The wiring harness that was pre-installed in the truck will be accessible through this opening here. So you'll want to reach in and bring it out this opening in the capsule, and it'll plug in directly to the harness that's pre-installed in the capsule. In the splicing cap, you'll have the two extra wires, which are the ground and the 12 volt positive 10 gauge large wire. Those will be butt spliced and just taped in place beside this connection. The clamps for the canopy are what secure it to the truck. So this is the orientation that it will be installed in. The rubber goes up underneath the bed rail of the pickup truck box, and the wide metal foot runs up against the underside of the capsule and prevents the clamp from twisting this way. So the height of this is adjustable. For this Ford truck, I'll typically adjust it till I've got about 1/4 inch of travel left, and then it gets inserted into the opening so that the rubber foot is underneath the lip of the pickup truck, and then this large bolt will come down into the clamp and thread directly into it. So if you hold it in place, you can use a ratchet, wrench, or gun to speed things up. So continue to snug that up and just keep an eye on the clamp itself. It should tighten up 90 degrees to the bolt that you're threading into it. So the purpose of the secondary adjustment here is to keep the clamp straight and keep the force straight up and down. So keep tightening till it's reasonably tight. It doesn't have to be incredibly tight, but you'll know it by feel that it's good and secure. And make sure that both the main bolt and the positioning bolt are secure to the same tension. These bolts need to be checked periodically. We recommend every 3 months using a wrench and just checking that they're nice and secure, so that the capsule doesn't have any tendency to move around at all when you're on rough roads and in rough conditions. So make sure you do that on all 4 of the capsule clamp locations, and that they're all secure, and that'll fully secure your cap to the truck.